জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Who is playing what trick for what reason? You don't know. Nobody knows.
Be quiet! Stop this! Stop it, will you? What's going on? Why are you arguing among yourselves in such a situation?
Hey, please stop it. Why are you two brothers arguing? I haven't finished talking yet. Grandma, what I was saying is their post-wedding ritual is done. What we have to do now is we have to decorate Dripto's room. Hey, I mean, we have to decorate for the nuptial night, right? And you have already said that my friend will stay with us until mother comes back. So I think the nuptial night will be celebrated tonight.
Keep quiet. Just keep quiet.
Ah!
Don't you feel ashamed? You're talking about their first night. I mean...
Ah!
You're not as angry as I am, I'm sure. So, control your anger. Rangana is like a daughter to mom. She is her son's wife. Only mom has the right to punish her. You hold no rights. She is your wife. Give her the respect a wife deserves. Besides, raising your hand to your wife is not the culture of this family.
No, not raising your hand. The culture of this family is to marry a girl and refuse to accept her as his wife. To humiliate her in front of everyone in the family and throw her out of the house. I'm tired of this, and I'm tired of seeing all this. It's disgusting. Come on. Come on, Trinayani. You have time until Sanjukta comes back. If you get to know, in the meantime, who poisoned the milk and given them proof, they might understand you. Come, my child. Come.
Hello, Sanjukta.
Yes, tell me.
Listen, I have stopped Trinayani from leaving. I've told everyone that Trinayani will leave this house after you return and not before that.
Good. I'll be at peace when I see that girl rot in jail. Everyone will see the consequence of messing with me. Doctor? 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 Where's the doctor? Doctor, discharge me now.
What is this? What are you doing? Don't be so impatient. Please have rest.
No, I can't have rest. I need to go home right now. Please, discharge me now. Discharge me right now, please.
Impossible. Look, you are too unwell to be released now. Try to understand. We cannot take such a big risk in this condition.
I don't want to know all that, doctor. I need to be discharged now. Just tell me what formalities needs to be observed for that.
In that case, your family member will have to sign a bond.
If needed, I'll do that if needed. Please get the papers ready, please. Please. I'll call my family members. I'll leave this place by evening, please. Wait for some more time, Trinayani. I am coming. Now we will deal with matter face to face. Face to face.
No matter what, my child, I won't be able to keep you in this house for long. I'm just waiting for Sanjukta to return. Once Sanjukta returns, she will throw you out somehow. Listen, I beg you, please don't think about Deepu anymore. Think about yourself. Don't think of leaving the house and staying on the street. I'll personally take you to your village home.
Father, this is mother's attire, right?
Yes, this is Kalpana's sari. But how did you realize that, my child?
I can't understand anything, Rangana. Everything seems so strange.
That's how my friend is. She's very nice. She's simple and innocent. You know, Grandma, she even told me that in order to find out if anyone poisoned Dripto's food, she tastes that food before Dripto.
Meaning?
You're asking the meaning. She might even die by doing so, right? Tell me.
Henceforth, the food which Dripto will eat, I will taste it before he eats. There is no other way to save him from danger. I won't know if anyone poisoned his food if I don't eat it before him. I have to know that. She wanted to save Deepu like this. Isn't it true that I didn't let you consume the poison? When you were about to meet with an accident, didn't I save you by jumping in front of your car, Dripto? Tell me. I beg you, sir. Please try to understand. Maybe it's not written on my palms that I am his protective shield, but so what? I will use all my powers and protect him always. Even if I die, I will still protect him, sir. My guru says she isn't Deepu's protective shield, although she is working as a protective shield. But how is that possible?
Mother, I can understand what's going on in your mind. You are also in a dilemma about the decision to oust Trinayani from this house. Let me tell you something, Mother. Trinayani is no ordinary girl. She has been chosen by Kalpana herself. She has Kalpana's blessings. Will Kalpana choose the wrong girl for her son? Tell me. Are the family members making a mistake by taking the decision to oust Trinayani?
Can the daughter make a mistake in identifying a mother's touch? Father, this attire is touched by mother. Mother's blessings are with me. I can't give up so easily, Father. Mother personally came and gave me the responsibility to protect your son from the danger. Father, I have to keep the promise I made to Mother.
How much will you harm yourself to keep the promise you made to Kalpana and to save Deepu? Will you stay on the street for that?
Don't worry, Father. Nothing will happen to me. If needed, I will stay on the footpath. Lourdes has saved me in the past as well. And she will save me this time also. And you're absolutely right, Father. Mother Sanjukta will come and throw me out of the house. She is quite furious at me. I have to go away, Father. Sooner or later. But Father, I am thinking about something else. I'm thinking if I'll be able to find out that who poisoned the milk in the time I got, will I be able to identify the person who wants to harm Dripto? Will I find that person, Father?
I don't know, my child. I don't know. I don't know what Lord has in store for you. I don't know. I don't know.
Yes, tell me, Sanjukta.
Listen, I want to get discharged today. Come here, sign the bond and take me home.
Today?
Yes, today. I don't want to give more time to that girl. Don't waste time, Vicky. Come here at once.
Okay, I'm coming with the money. She'll be discharged. But Sanjukta is in a hurry. Who knows what she has told the family members?
If we make this mistake, Mother, I hope Deepu won't pay for this. Because Trinani is doing everything possible for her to save her Deepu. Am I right, Mom? I do not want to force my opinion on you, Mother. I am just saying that before taking this decision, before ousting Trinani from this house, do give it a thought, Mother. This is my request to you.
Don't try to reason with me, Pratima. Sanjukta will make the decision when she returns home.
Grandma, I tried hard to reason with you. But you didn't understand anything. You didn't say a word in my friend's favor.
Listen, I am a woman of the world. I don't have to do as you two say. I've understood what I need to understand. Now you two may go. Go away from here. Don't irritate me sitting here.
I'm going.
You don't have to say you're going. Pratima didn't say anything wrong. That girl has done everything for the well-being of Deepu. I am not making a mistake by ousting that girl, am I?
It's all your miracle, Lourdes. It's all your miracle. That's why he took the responsibility to fulfill my needs even if he didn't want to.
Goddess, I took the wedding vows with you as my witness. That I'd stand by her and protect her. But I'm breaking those vows.
Lourdes, please make him understand that the vows taken by reciting the chants with the holy fire as the witness can't be broken. This bond is for eternity, Lourdes. He should accept this marriage one day.
I'm giving you food, clothes, and jewelry too. I'm not ousting you empty-handed, all right? Now you get out of this house.
Whether you insult me or ignore me, this food is given by you, Dripto. So for me, it's a blessing.
Oh Lord, you have put me in a huge dilemma, Lord. I consider that girl a fraud. I feel that she is lying. But when I see her innocent face, besides, after hearing her say that she will save Deepu, I'm in two minds. I'm in a huge dilemma, Lord. I have always been strong and have taken many important decisions in life. But why am I in a dilemma about that ordinary girl? Oh Lord, please tell me, Lord.
If I sense that he is in danger, I will enter this house without listening to anyone here. I will save his life even if it costs my life. No one can stop me from doing that.
After your mother's death, no one has thought about you so selflessly, Deepu.
True, Topu did not say anything wrong. But that girl, what do I do, Lord? What do I do? Please guide me, Lord. Please guide me.
Grandma? Grandma, you are here? Oh, you have also come here to pray for Mom's well-being, right? I've also come here for the same reason. Grandma, Mom said she'd come home and throw the girl out as soon as possible. It means Mom will come back soon, right? Oh Lord. Lord, because of you, my mom came back from the jaws of death. Only because of you, I got my mother back. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Grandma, nothing will happen to Mom, right? You'll see. I'll protect my mom all the time. Once that girl leaves the house, you'll see all our family problems will be solved. Everything will be fine. Right, Grandma?
What? Yes.